I think that I'll die before I drink. And I'm so caught up in the news of who likes me and who hates you. And I'm so tired that I might quit my job, start a new life. And they'd all be so disappointed, cause who am I if not exploited? And I'm so sick of 17, I'm over this teenage dream. If someone tells me one more time, enjoy your youth, I'm gonna cry. And I don't stick up for myself, I'm anxious and nothing can help. And I wish I'd done this before, and I wish people liked me more. All I did was try my best, it's the kind of things I get. I'm relentlessly upset. They say these are the golden years, but I wish I could disappear. Ego crush is so severe, God, it's brutal out here. All I did was try my best, it's the kind of things I get. I'm relentlessly upset. They say these are the golden years, but I wish I could disappear. Ego crush is so severe, God, it's brutal out here. It's brutal out here. It's brutal out here. It's brutal out here. All I did was try my best. All I did was try my best. All I did was try my best. It's brutal out here. All I did was try my best. All I did was try my best. All I did was try my best. It's brutal out here. 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 I feel like no one wants me, and I hate the way I'm perceived.